Good morning this Monday, the 16th of December. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed on Friday as investors reassess their positions ahead of the Fed's anticipated rate cut this week at the final FOMC meeting for 2024. The Dow Jones fell 0.2% to track its seventh straight losing session in the longest run since 2020, while the Nasdaq gained 0.12% on Friday and the S&P 500 ended the day flat. Across the European region on Friday, markets closed lower as investors reacted to disappointing economic data readings from the region's largest economies, with the UK GDP data showing economic contraction by 0.1% in October and Germany's exports declined 2.8% in October. The STOXX 600 fell 0.62% on Friday. Germany's DAX and the French CAC and the UK FTSE 100 each ended the day down 0.15%. Across the Asia region on Friday, markets closed lower as investor optimism for further Chinese stimulus faded. Hong Kong's Seng lost 1.83% on Friday. China's CSI index fell 2.37%, and Japan's Nikkei ended the day down 0.95%. The ASX 200 fell 0.41% on Friday as a sharp sell-off in materials sector weighed on the key index, while the financial and energy stocks were the only sectors to end the day higher. The index had its worst week in months last week as investors took profits from the recent rally that sent the ASX 200 to record highs. DigiCo debuted on the ASX on Friday in a highly anticipated debut that had a very disappointing reception from investors. The data center infrastructure REIT ended its first session at $4.55 per share, down from the $5 of its IPO. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.81% higher at $71.29 a barrel. Gold is down 1.25% at $2,647 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.17% at $105.31 a tonne. The Aussie dollar has further weakened to buy 63.63 US cents, 97.63 Japanese yen, 50.41 British pence and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session on the ASX, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down nearly 0.5%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has initiated coverage of Vitrafy Life Sciences with a spec buy rating and a 12-month price target of $2.36 per share. Vitrafy aims to become a global leader in cryopreservation by significantly improving cell survival of biological materials. The analyst sees high growth potential in VFY's three areas of exposure to broad global market themes, each also material in size: aquaculture and bovine reproduction, blood platelets, and human cell and gene therapy. Each have a global addressable market over $3 billion in size and have significant growth potential for VFY. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Sims following the formation of a pattern over a period of 25 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $12.73 to the range of $11.20 to $11.50 according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.